Team All Kinds of Muscle.
We are at Greenway 4. Would anybody like to tell us why we are at Greenway 4 today? No.
Dom can't say any words.
Jared, would you like to tell us why we're here today?
Yeah, its.domplicated GT350 got taken by Hurricane Ian.
I get to tear it apart.
Tear it up.
That's right. Tear it up. Tear it up. Tear it up.
He just want to destroy something. Jared is sad. He wants to tear up something. Dom is just here by default.
I don't really want to.
And I'm the camera guy. Dom is here because Dom has to be here.
Dom is sad. I'm here for support for Dom.
Try and
Make
lemonade.
Mike.
You make lemonade, baby. not Mike's hard lemonade.
Like, all we got though is you got another car to look forward to taking it down the track.
Oh my God. And if it's an R, bro, if you got an R, we gotta take it to the track.
Jay, we can't put that in any video because I might not get the R. I want it, but you know.
You can take it to. You got to take it to HPD.
350 with a different
Ooh.
color.
You can't take it to track days.
Ooh, right. All right, this is the moment of truth, everybody. We are with the man of the hour, after the hour. If you all don't know, by the time that this video drop, you will already see the last ride video of the Shelby GT350.
Who you rolling with?
So, here we are.
Condensation.
Condensation.
Rust.
Look at the rotor rust from the water, which is typical, but
Yeah.
how does it feel?
My stripes. I just put those on there.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Feels awful.
Are we gonna smell mildew? Oh, it's open.
What does it smell like?
Oh my God, it smells bad in there, bro.
What does it smell like?
You can't smell it from here?
Oh yeah.
Ooh, and ain't no telling where that water was coming from. That dirty water that...
It can't evaporate.
Look at what we're looking at right now. Let me clear this up so you can actually see what's going on. Air filter was wet.
When I try to get some of the water out of the oil, like when I check the dipstick, you can
Okay.
see separation between the water and the oil.
Hey, bro, you need some badges? We need to take these badges with us?
Y'all taking my stickers back.
Hey, take your vinyl back, bro. We put them red stripes on there.
I want it all back.
That's $100 worth of vinyl
And the black
that we put on here that we need
and
off.
the duplicated.
All right. Moment of truth, brother. Really? We got one up under there. The Dom Dada.
Oh
I know, man.
Alright.
Oh man, you hopping out of one Shelby and hopping in another, right?
Yes, sir.
Track attack time, bro.
Absolutely.
After the first Shelby. Oh man. Due to Hurricane Ian, my man lost his Shelby GT350. And now we are bouncing back with a Shelby GT350R. How many miles?
8,000.
8,000 miles
We
on
gotta
the
secure
Shelby.
the purchase first, and then I'll say stuff.
Jared,
Dude,
it's an
I'm
awesome
like-
day, bro.
It is. I'm blown away by this thing. So you got lots of stuff. You got lots of stuff to go through here. Do you want to go through it right now, or do you want me to go through it? I'll go through
You
it.
can go through it.
And Dom, what did you say this called? Owner supplement
Owner
package?
supplement package.
You got-
Most of the time when you get these used, the previous owner holds on to that.
Okay,
So it's a big deal. It's
Got
about a
this whole
$500
book.
value.
okay. So we got it.
We
You
got it.
got this book with all the. Okay, you got the original window sticker here. Total MSR.
That's what I'm saying.
What is it? What is
60, 69,490. Okay, so equipment group 920.
By far louder than your last Shelby. By far, I don't know, bro. That may be loud as mine or louder than mine. That's ridiculous. I don't know.
Make sure it's not in first gear, Dom.
Dom, make sure it's not in first. Uh-oh.
You got it in first?
It's not at first.
Sorry, I had to.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Hey, with the excuse, we had an excuse for the first time. It's not a second excuse. Shelby GT350 Aura. R.
With a pirate.